Hi, everybody. Hi, what's up? Um, shit, why is my throat getting all fucking. Make sure my throat's nice and clear. It is. What is this? I'm so like fucking hoarse. Sorry about that. It's just I don't know what's going on. I'm not sick. I don't have a cold, but for some reason, as soon as I like hit the damn record button, my throat like wants to get all fucking fogged up. Um, this is my Sunday night video. Actually, I remember I said that I was going to try to make a video every Wednesday and then sometime during the weekend. But I've noticed that even though I say sometime during the weekend, which could mean, either Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, it seems like most of the time so far it's been Sunday. I don't know why. Maybe because Sunday seems to be the most boring day of the weekend for me for some reason. So maybe that's why I've been making most of my weekend videos on Sundays because they're just so damn boring and I feel so I don't know. I feel so like drained for some reason, like no like hardly any energy. So I don't know. Sundays being like that sort of day for me, I just feel like this is the best. They're kind of the best day for me to like make a video and have a reason to be kind of energized and shit like that. I don't know. Whatever. Um. So what can I talk about? Let's see. Well, this morning, I should say, this morning my area had a tornado warning, and uh, my where the town I live in is in a valley, and a lot of people in my area. I think I mentioned this in another video in the past, but a lot of people in my area they believe that we can't get things like tornadoes and stuff like that just because we live in a valley. Well, we had a tornado warning this morning, and we didn't really have no tornado came or anything like that, but we did end up having a pretty severe thunderstorm. Um, that when I was watching the news, it did cause like some damage around town. As far as trees getting blown down and people's windows getting blown out and stuff like that. But I don't know. As far as the whole thing, like how some people in my town, in my area, choose to believe that just because we live in a valley, we can never have a tornado. I don't know. We had a tornado warning this morning, so I mean, damn, shit, wake up. Yes, we can have a tornado. Um, Maybe not as much as somebody who like lives in somebody who lives like in Kansas or somewhere like. I just said Kansas because I was thinking about the Wizard of Oz. I don't know why. Every time I think about Kansas, I automatically think about the Wizard of Oz and the tornado that happened in the Wizard of Oz. I know. I don't know. I know it's kind of corny, but I mean, even though the Wizard of Oz wasn't really that much of a realistic movie, the tornado part was kind of realistic. So I don't. Anyways, but yeah. So that's my one of my that's one of the things I really hope for is that people in my area will wake up more and realize, yes, we can have tornadoes. I mean, shit. Um, it's just that's just life. That's the reality of it all. So shit, wake up. Um, and the second thing that was on my mind is that this morning, I joined Facebook finally because there's been I was going to say so many, but not really so many, but quite a few people, that I'm friends with on MySpace and on Twitter who, well, and in my real life too, who have constantly been telling me about like how I should join Facebook. Facebook is so much better than MySpace and all that stuff. So this morning I finally joined Facebook because I was up late last night. When I say late, I was up like until like fucking 7 something in the morning because I just couldn't sleep because it was just so hot and humid last night. And sometimes when it's hot and humid and I can't fall asleep and I already realize the sun's coming up, I just stay up. So I'm gonna sleep good tonight. That's a damn fact. But so yeah, I finally joined Facebook, and so yeah, I'm on Facebook now. So my name on Facebook is Jess, and if you I don't want to give my last name out here on YouTube, but I mean, if you're friends with me on MySpace, or if you know who I am on Twitter, or any of the other sites I may be on that I don't really quite remember I'm on, um, you can send me a message and whatever. I'll tell you what my I don't know. I don't know. On Facebook, I think could you just find me by my first name? Probably. I don't think I have to give out my last name. I mean, shit. And plus, once you find me on Facebook, you'll know my last name anyway. So, yeah. But so yeah, I'm on Facebook now. So far, I don't really see the huge excitement or big deal about it, but I'm gonna hang in there and like try to see what the hell's going on, why people keep saying that, and why people keep raving about Facebook. The one thing I have noticed about Facebook though is, well, on MySpace, I think I've been on I think I've been on MySpace now for the past like 3 or 4 years. It's kind of weird that it's actually been that long because I think the when I think I joined MySpace like in 2006, 2007. But when I first joined MySpace, I wasn't even on there that much. So those first 1 or 2 years didn't really count. Um, I only started getting on there, getting serious about MySpace during my, third year, I think, of being on there. But the one thing I have noticed about Facebook that is a little bit cooler. I mean, I haven't left MySpace yet. I still have my MySpace account, but the one thing I noticed about Facebook is it does seem like a lot of the people that I've been looking for. I mean, as far as people that I was friends with like back in fucking elementary school and back in high school, it seems like more of them are on Facebook for some reason. I mean, because I've been looking for some of them for like the past couple of years on MySpace, and I haven't been able to find them. So now I'm on like now that I've joined Facebook, I noticed that I have I've found quite a few of them on Facebook. I mean, more than a few. So that's the one thing I could say is pretty cool about Facebook. As far as anything else, I don't really know yet. I'm still new to Facebook, so I don't know. It's gonna take some time. But yeah, I'm finally a Facebooker or whatever. So yeah, all those people who've been begging me to join Facebook, I hope you're happy. And you finally got what you wanted. I'm on there, so shit. You better hit me up, look for me, whatever. Um, yeah. Um, as far as anything else, as far as like how my weekend been kind of boring. The only thing, I mean, is even though Sundays are like the most boring day of the whole damn weekend for me, um, this Sunday was pretty exciting, in a way. With the whole tornado warning. I know it's kind of weird, but yeah, the whole tornado warning thing is, since we don't get them, we don't really get tornado warnings that much in my area, so it was kind of exciting. And the fact that I joined Facebook. But anyways, I'm already almost out of time, and I don't know. Hope everybody's having a great Sunday night, and have a wish. I'll be wishing you a wonderful new week, and I will see you again on Wednesday. Bye bye.